Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. So let's look at what we have here. So today we got our overnight setup. Here are our high of day, low of day zones. Where do we get those? We get those right here, right here, right here, and right here. So that's our high of day, low of day zone. Data is telling us a sweep of the high and low possible at the open. So what do? Well, let's look at our secret weapon first. Our little secret weapon's telling us this thing's going to go sweep the high, right? So it's telling us that before the market, we're going to get a potential sweep, and then we're going to build back up, go jump through the high at the open, take this thing back down to the low. I know you're like, how does that happen? How do you see that? Yeah, that's exactly right. So what do? Well, when the market not started pushing at the open, we started building our short, right? As this thing popped through this high of day zone, we added to our short, expecting another pop into this zone to go add our final entry. Unfortunately, we didn't get our final entry, but that's okay. We take most of our profit down here because we were really just looking to go sweep the low. We were hoping we could get one more pull down here. It didn't happen, and hopium doesn't work in the market. So once we started really building back into this 930 zone, we just closed the rest of it, and the day was done. Easy peasy, right? So, I mean, there's not a whole lot else to go on about, right? If you look at this, we were probably going to grind in this range most of the day. A lot of data was telling us that we were probably going to end up grinding. We could go look at other statistical probabilities to get back down to this midnight target down here, which we did. We could look at, let's see. There was one other statistic that was in the high 80s. I think it was to get back through the low here. But either way, there was a lot of information that told us that we were going to short this thing back through the low. And then, possibly not trade again unless you really were, trying to get a bit chopped up, or unless you had some conviction of where this thing was going to go. But either way, that's the cheat codes for today. Hope everybody did well. And if not, hit us up. We can help you out. Otherwise, we'll see everybody next time.